Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to use DropAffilate to import Amazon products to your Shopify store in seconds. First, let's install the Chrome extension. Open the Chrome web store using URL from DropAffilate and click Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation. It takes less than 10 seconds. Once installed, you'll see the DropAffilate icon appear in your browser toolbar. Click it, connect your Shopify store, and you're ready to go. Now, if you're an Amazon affiliate, you'll want to set up the buy button so your customers purchase directly on Amazon through your link. First, go to DropAffilate settings and enter your Amazon affiliate ID. This links every button to your account. Then go to your Shopify theme and add the Amazon Buy button to your product page. From now on, every imported product will automatically display a Buy on Amazon button, and every sale earns you a commission. Let's import your first product. Go to any product page on Amazon. Click the e-copy icon in your toolbar. Select your store, review the product details, and hit Import. Title, images, price, description. Everything is imported instantly to your Shopify store. It's free, it takes one click, and you can import as many products as you want.